guys, I'm Jill. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today's a fun video because we're going to be doing a Walmart haul. And I'm going to be rating every single item I bought to see if it's worth your hard-earned money. First up today, we have the No Boundaries wide leg cargo pocket cheetah print pants. Right now on Walmart's website, they're $16.98. They are fully in stock in sizes, and the inseams come in short, full, and long. I picked up the full and the long inseam. The long inseam is 33.5 inches and the full is 31.5. I'll show both of them and label which one's full and which one's the long one. But they're 99% cotton, 1% span. I definitely can feel that extra roomy spandex, but I think they're going to be super cute for fall. That's why I wanted to share them now. They're not really summer pants, but they're going to go so cute in the fall with all your fall outfits. Next up, I have another pair of pants. These are from Free Assembly. These are the Mr. CRP Park Chop Pant, and I got the color Breezy Floral Cream. They're really pretty cream colored pant with some vibrant florals. I'm sure you're seeing them here. Sizing is getting limited, so check in store if you really want these. Also check in your area. I know Walmart's website is kind of weird about like their stock and what area you live in. This one I got my normal size large again. They're 98% cotton, 2% spandex. I think they're so cute. I think they're really cute with the sweater I have on. This sweater specifically is out of stock. It's a Time and Tru cardigan. But I'll link one that's similar because I think they're really cute together. But I really like these pants. I think they're cute. I'm excited to wear these out, especially in the fall. I think I'm going to rate these an 8 out of 10. So both items I just shared are more fall items. They're not really a summer item, but the next item is definitely a summer dress. It's the Free Assembly Women's Cotton Panel Midi Dress with a sweetheart neckline. It's a super pretty like floral print. I just think it's so vibrant and fun. I really liked it. I got a size large. In the footage you can see the top is a little bit big on me, so I definitely think I could have sized down one, especially for my girls that are a little bit smaller on top. The dress is 100% cotton. And sizing is also getting limited on this one. So just check your local stores, check your area again. But this one was $22.80. I like this dress. I didn't love it. I would probably rate this one 7 out of 10. Next for clothes, we have the Celebrity Pink Woman's Long Tie Front Crochet Cardigan. It looks like most sizes are still available right now on Walmart's website. The pink color is $8.33. I think this is a really cute top. It does not have any stretch though, so I'm kind of tempted to size up. I did get a size medium and I definitely think I could have gone with a large just to have a little bit more of an oversized, roomy fit in it. But I think it's really cute. I love the bow ties, I love the lace details, the wide sleeves, and honestly, I don't think anyone would ever guess that you paid $8 for this top. So for that reason, I'm gonna rate it an 8 out of 10. Next up, we're gonna get into some accessories. So first thing I have is this Time and Tru metal claw and hair tie in silver. Right now it's $3.48 on Walmart's website. I really liked the hair tie. I thought it made my ponytail look more cute than just a plain normal ponytail. And it was really easy to put in too, which I appreciated. The claw clip is really cute. I like the metal silver look of it, but I don't love how heavy it is. It's like a pretty hefty piece for being a hair clip. It was dragging down on my hair a little bit, so I'm probably not ever gonna wear this. I also don't love how hard it is to open it, to clip into your hair. It is so hard. I actually had to have my husband do it the very first time that I ever tried to open it because it's so stiff. Okay, as far as rating, the claw clip and the ponytail holder, I'm gonna give it a 5 out of 10, mainly because I really like the ponytail holder and also because I don't really like the claw clip. So maybe you can get the package for like $3 and some change, keep the ponytail holder and get rid of the claw clip. Maybe you can gift it or something, but I don't know if you want to do that to your friend. We have the Time and Tru Barrette bow. I got it in black. It also comes in ivory. It's currently $3.48 on Walmart's website. I think it's really cute. It's really well made. I really like the material of it. My only complaint is it's a little bit hard to close the barrette once it's in your hair. But I think because of that, it actually stays really well. Like, it's not going anywhere once it's in. And for $3.48, I don't think you can go wrong. So for that reason, I think I'm going to rate it an 8.5 out of 10. Next up, we have a necklace. This is a 4-pack of silver necklaces. They're $9.98 on Walmart's website. And I really like that they already come in a layered necklace set. It takes the guesswork out of it. I don't have to figure out which necklace is the layer because it already comes in the set. So I really like that. I think they're cute, and I'm gonna rate them a 7.5 out of 10. Okay, let's talk shoes next. This is my favorite category. So first up, I have the Madden NYC Women's Mesh Bow Sandals. And like, look how cute these are. These are like the perfect summer sandal. I love the mesh. I love the white bow. They were out of my size. I'm a regular size 9, but they did have an 8.5, so I went down to an 8.5, and they actually fit totally fine. Right now they're $14.62 on Walmart's website. I think they're so cute, and I think they're definitely worth that. My sisters actually went to Walmart in store, and they found them in a couple other colors for $5 on clearance. So check your local stores for these two and for the other colors that might be on clearance. I have no complaints. I think they're really cute. I'm gonna give these a 10 out of 10. Next up, we have another pair of shoes. These are the Time and Tru Woman's Buckle Clog. I love the color. I think the color is really cute. They actually come in a variety of colors. They only come in whole sizes, so I did size up one whole size. I'm usually a 9. I got a 10. I think that was definitely necessary because my heel is falling off in the 9. They are the most expensive item in this video, coming in at $24.98. And for $25 shoe, I don't know that I love them. I think they're really cute. I like the style. I just don't think they're that comfortable. If they were to go on sale for maybe like $10 or $15, I think I would like them more. But for $25 and not that comfortable, I think I'm gonna rate them a 6 out of 10. Okay. Next up, we have another pair of sandals. These are the No Boundaries Caged Flat Sandals. I thought these were gonna be so fun. I love the little bling. I love a good black sandal for the summer. They come in whole sizes only. I did get a size 9, and the 9 did work for me. The 9 was fine in these. They're currently $6.36 on Walmart's website, which is super cheap. But I will say these were not my favorite shoes. I wore them for about 30 minutes, and 30 minutes into it, the mesh was just digging into my foot. I think if the top of your foot is a little bit more flat, these wouldn't be a problem for you. This part on top of my foot is where it was really digging in and where it was really painful. But so for that reason, they're pass for me. I'm probably gonna rate them like a 2 out of 10, only because they're $6.36 on Walmart's website and all sizes are available. So if you have like a more narrow foot, these might work for you, and I hope they do for that price because that's so cheap. Okay, next up we have another pair of sandals. These are the Time and Tru Woman's Puff Footbed Sandals. And again, these only come in whole sizes. I, again, sized up to a 10. I did try the 9. The 9 fit, but the 10 is definitely more comfortable on me. I think these are cute. My only complaint with them is I don't love how huge they look on my foot. I would say I have pretty regular feet. I don't really have wide feet, and I definitely don't have narrow feet. So if you have narrow feet, you definitely probably want to skip on these. If you have wide feet, they're probably pretty cute for you. Right now they're $11.04 on Walmart's website. I actually picked these ones up in store for $5, so check your local stores. But for the price, for the style, I'm gonna rate them 7.8 out of 10. Thank you for joining me today in my first YouTube video. I hope you found some information helpful, or you found something that you really liked from Walmart. Comment below if you did, and see you next week in my next video.